All Commands Protections provides administrators the ability to apply Guardian's protections modes, monitor, guide, or prevent to nearly all API available Revit commands, educating users on the firm's processes, best practices, and standards in real time as users go to execute those Revit commands, thus ensuring users are informed and up to date. In order to take advantage of this feature, all commands protections must first be set up under User Commands within any project configuration by selecting the Manage Commands button. While accessible through the project configuration, the Manage Commands dialog functions globally, and settings within the Manage Commands are set to the defaults for each command and are not specific to the active project configuration. The first time opening the Manage Commands dialog, all existing commands will be shown. From Manage Commands dialog, the following default settings can be established for each command. The command name consists of the command type prefix and the Revit command name. It is recommended to maintain the naming conventions already adopted by Guardian so there is consistency within the Backstage dataset. Please refer to the knowledge base article on Guardian's website for all the commonly used command type prefixes. The message title is the title that shows up on the top of the command message. Screenshots. Before and after screenshots can be captured on a command-by-command basis in which Revit permits screenshots to be captured. Please note, any project configuration with the Capture Screenshots deselected will override these settings for any projects in which the project configuration is applied or within file overrides. These screenshots will be available in both Project Central and Backstage. The Active View information provides, where available, the view name and view links in which the protected command was executed. This information will be provided with the executed command information in Project Central. For selected elements IDs, Guardian captures the before and after all the element IDs of those elements that were impacted by the executed protected command. This information will be provided within the executed command information in Project Central. The default command messages provides administrators the ability to establish the default command message for each command that will be adopted when a new command is assigned to the project configuration or a new project configuration is created. Editing the command message here will not overwrite any existing command messages for that specific command. To create a new command from the available Revit postable commands, select the New button. To configure the new command, select the postable command. Here, all API available Revit commands, otherwise known as postable commands, are listed to create a Guardian command. A complete list of postable commands can be found under the All Commands Knowledge Base article on the Guardian website. Commands already used within Guardian will not be listed, such as the user commands provided out of the box and the user commands available under Company Settings. Enter the command name. As mentioned before, please adopt the appropriate naming convention, as this is what will show up in Project Central in Guardian Backstage. Enter the message title. This is the title that shows up at the top of the command message. Select the screenshots, before and after screenshots. Select the Active View information. Provides, where available, the view name and view links in which the protected command was executed. Select the selected elements IDs to capture before and after all of the element IDs. Edit the default command message for writing the default command message. The newly configured command will need to be added to the appropriate project configurations by selecting the New button under the User Commands tab. Newly created commands are not automatically assigned to project configurations to ensure protections are not inadvertently being added. The new command will be listed in the Available Commands dialog and can be added to the project configuration by selecting the Add button. Once the new command is added to the project configuration, it becomes a user command, and the typical monitor, guide, and prevent protections along with command frequency and comments can be set. From there, the newly created user command can be copied to the other project configurations. Now the Guardian Proactive Protections and Data Insight becomes available for the newly created user command.